to jail. Not yet. At least not for these crimes that he is alleged to have committed against Cassie. I don't know if he's going to go to jail in the future for something unrelated, right? In this particular lawsuit, the lawsuit that Cassie has filed, this is a civil lawsuit. And in this instance, what that means is that there's no jail time attached, right? But there is money involved. So if she does win that lawsuit, she should expect to get some sum of money, right? I believe she's suing him now, requesting something to the tune of $30 million, right? Why is Cassie able to file the lawsuit now, right? Some people are asking, why did she wait so long? I don't know. I can't really speculate on that, right? But what we do know is that there is a new law, I believe it's called the New York Survivors Act, something of that nature, right? That allows adults to file claims on crimes that happen to them, even when the statute of limitations already passed, right? So, for example, in a case like this, I don't know what the statute of limitations is in this particular state where Cassie filed that lawsuit, and we don't know when exactly some of the things she's alleging to have happened in this relationship happened, but if a lot of this stuff happened in the beginning, 2005, 2006, even up through 2009, 2010, right, certainly the statute of limitations for those offenses has expired, and if they had not expired, Cassie probably would have gone to the criminal court prosecutors and tried to prosecute Diddy for some of these things, but she didn't do that, right? So that leads us to believe that the statute of limitations for criminal cases, for jail times, in this particular case has expired. And so she's gone the civil right trying to recoup money for, the harm that she has said that she suffered at the hands of Diddy. So, I do think that this case is going to probably proceed to trial. We see that's the trend nowadays, especially if you look at, I think it started probably with Johnny Depp. We saw also with that Tory Lanez. I was going to say something nasty, real mean and nasty, but I'm going to say Tory Lanez. We saw with him as well. So we see this trend of these men, fighting the case to the end and going to trial, whereas back in the day, you might have seen some people settle these cases so as not to ruin their career. I think I did read something that said that Diddy might have tried to settle the case prior to Cassie filing suit. I'm sure that her team was in discussions with his team, but I don't know, right? She didn't accept it, and if that's true, that he tried to give her some money, she didn't accept it, that does, I think, lend a lot of credence, a lot of people would say, to her claims, because she rejected that money and decided to file this lawsuit instead. So we'll see how this progresses.